Not into long podcasts, don't worry. We've got bite sized clips just for you. This is CWN Clips. Please don't forget to subscribe. How do we educate the children to be aware of, okay, don't use the content. Yes, we can
Yes,
definitely find out, whether it's an AI generated or probably you have put your creativity, but it is actually diminishing because when you have something available ready made, the amount of effort individual or a children has to put, probably they take the easy route. In
yes,
general, the psychology is that, right? Because when I have something available, why do I have to spend so much time in actually creating? So I will just
yeah.
take it and use it. So that's the mentality
That's the mentality of
across
the
the
children.
children. So how do we constantly educate? So do you think this needs to be introduced as a curriculum? Do you think that would help, even though
Yes,
it's not part
yes.
of the CBSE or any board, but still
No, no, it's CBSE insists.
insist?
CBSE in fact insists that from grade 3 onwards, AI has
Hmm.
to be incorporated across the curriculum. So it insists from grade 3 to grade 10, it is a must. And ICC doesn't insist, but
Hmm.
of course, AI is anyway there. So you need to educate the children a good versus harm,
Yes.
about
Hmm.
the AI, encouraging them to ask, like, how can I use technology to solve problems? So you had one question, which you had also sent to me, like, it should not be consumed. All
Yes.
right.
Yeah.
So it is to be used to solve the problems. So you need to tell them how schools and parents can support, is what I can give you briefly. Probably, Naga, we can have workshops on
Hmm.
AI, on digital well-being and AI tools could be a name of the workshop or something like that, which
Right.
can really help the children to understand the good versus the harm, because AI and ChatGPT is being very commonly used. And we can also discuss it as a part of the classroom discussions on tech ethics. So we
Yes.
can do that as well. So
Yes.
they'll know that, okay, this is ethical, this is not
Not
ethical.
it.
So let's use it this in a way to better our performances, or probably it can be also used as a tool to understand whether it can be used as to personalize the education as well,
Hmm.
to because everybody is in a different pace. I have a different pace, you have a different pace. So AI can be used for personalizing education, so that teachers have to use it as a tool, and children can also use it to understand, okay, I'm not understanding this, now I will keep it for a later date. I will use AI tool to understand it at my own pace, so it can be used as a tool. Actually, it's very effective tool, but depending upon the teachers have to guide them, have
Yes.
tell them, okay, we have got a project, now how are you going to do the project?
Hmm.
Teacher can only tell them a few steps. AI can give them a collaborative project using AI. Yeah, creativity
Yes.
to the behest.
Yes.
It's like that. And but it should be used responsibly,
Yeah.
and that's where the role of the teacher comes into picture, where she can guide them and saying, these are the various AI tool apps are there, which can you can go, you can make a PowerPoint presentation, you can use it for collaborative projects. So there are different AI, dot AI, like that,
Even
Presto
Copilot has come in, right? So
Yes,
everything
there's
is,
so
yeah.
many, so many are there. So they can give them the proper the AI apps, which they do not have to pay. Some AI apps tell you to pay. So they
Yes.
can say these are the free AI apps, but you can use it as a tool. And parent and the teen, agreements on screen time, everything has to be having a kind of an agreement, because in the house also all the time, if the teen is going to be hooked on to a screen, parents are not very happy about it.
Hmm.
So we talk about digital hygiene is one terminology. Nowadays, it's called as
Yes.
digital hygiene and
Digital
ethical
detox.
techniques. So these are the workshops you can have on, so that they will understand that this is how we can use it, and this is how the children have to be taught, and they have to be actually taught how to question. So that's very
Hmm.
important. The critical thinking, the questioning power. So when you teach them that, the same thing it will come when they're doing it chat GPT. They'll just not straight away go and type and saying, hey, look, type this out for me.
Give me this.
They'll question, they will use their mind. Otherwise, it's going to be like, the intelligence is going to be absolutely
Gone.
wasted, because
Yeah.
AI is going to
So
generate
the
everything.
artificial, it's going to be an artificial
Yes,
intelligence than a
yes,
human intelligence. So it's
yes,
going to take
absolutely.
over. This is just a glimpse of one of the many conversations we've had in this channel. If you found this thought provoking, please don't forget to subscribe and explore more insights from unfiltered voices and the real world experts. And please don't forget to like and share this video to as many people as possible. It keeps us going. See you in the next one.